We're like jet lag, who dis?
Who dis?
Oh, that's the best part.
Hey guys, it's me, Ann, and this is Beauty with Me. South Korea is a bona fide skincare hub, and South Koreans know a thing or two about super dewy skin. I am super excited because I got a glass skin facial while I was in Seoul. If you guys are unfamiliar with glass skin, it is essentially a term popularized in South Korea that refers to super bouncy, hydrated, dewy skin that's so dewy and so glistening that it semi-resembles a pane of glass. That is the objective of this facial, and in South Korea, where dewy skin is a very, very, very covetable thing to have, this facial that we got was directly designed to create that effect. So right after touching down in South Korea, I met up with Sara Lee. She is the co-founder of Glow Recipe, and she was kind of my guide for the week that I was in Seoul.
I am so excited to get a facial with you. You're the expert. What are we getting today?
So we're here at Oracle Derm Clinic. This is my favorite spot to get a facial treatment, especially after flying from New York. So you want to get over that jet lag, but still get that glowing skin. They're known for glass skin facials, and glass skin is the most popular skincare trend right now, where people want that smooth, poreless, translucent skin result. Let's go!
Step 1 began, like most facials do, with a very thorough cleanse. Smells good.
The hot towel is the best part.
It's so good. For the next products to infuse really well, she's gonna use some intense treatments, so this is a way to prep my skin for that. She wet this cotton pad with water, and I'm holding onto this so that this whole electricity flows through this.
I thought there might be a little bit of a shock sensation, but since I was holding that like electrical grounding thing, I didn't feel anything. It felt amazing. It tingles. Is it tingling you, Sarah?
It's tingling a little bit, but it's really gentle, right? It's almost like ticklish almost, and it's kind of a cold sensation, so that's really nice.
We did that for about 7 minutes, and then we moved on to an LED treatment.
Which helps to renew the skin, calm and soothe the skin. She said it's really great for people that have like puffiness, and that's gonna be for 8 minutes.
LED time.
This in particular with this yellow light is great for hyperpigmentation, dark spots. It's really a part of this glass skin facial to make sure that the skin tone is even. And before this treatment, she applied this aloe infused gel so that the soothing benefit is boosted. So it's kind of like an all-in-one. I get the soothing, the calming, but also even tone and texture through this. So she's gonna apply the watermelon mask now. It's really cold. I love it. It's really satisfying because when you wash your face after masking, it's like reveals your soft, like baby soft skin. She's like wiping it off now, but she's gonna wash it off with like cold towel. It's kind of like a double step.
Yeah, it is cold. It's actually really nice. My face was feeling so like puffy and bloated from the plane.
It's like icy cold.
And then we moved on to a vitamin C serum.
She's applying the Pineapple C Bright Serum because she wants to give that extra glow, glass skin result. And this is a very gentle vitamin C treatment.
It smells like a vodka pineapple. Just what my skin needed after a 14-hour flight across the Pacific.
And then after that, she's gonna do the rubber mask, which is the last step of this routine. Usually rubber masks are made with algae, which is amazing for antioxidant power and also soothing effect. So this is not only gonna give me the soothing, but also just like stronger skin overall. Typically, they leave this on for about 10 minutes and then peel it off. It's like 10 to 15 minutes max.
I'm gonna try to touch you.
Oh, it's so bright.
How do you feel?
Oh my god, it feels amazing. It's so, I don't know, there's something really exhilarating about the peel-off experience of a rubber mask.
Once that was done, we ended the entire treatment with a healthy dose of SPF. You gotta have SPF. And we went on our way.
자, 다 끝난 거예요?
네, 끝나셨어요.
네, 수고하셨어요. 감사합니다. That's it, guys.
Honestly, so nice to get this like right after the flight. I think my skin looked so much dewier, so much bouncier. It did have that kind of glistening glass skin effect. It cost roughly around $120 for the facial. I will say though, I had an awesome time. It was really cool to see what techniques they use. And it was even better that I got to do it with my friend. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. Bye.